it's hardcore crypto here. In this video, shall be taking a good look at Cronos. Now, Cronos has been pumping massively. You could see for days, Cronos has been pumping over. Like if I move this to the weekly time frame right here, you could see that Cronos has been pumping so massive. It has been pumping massively, roughly 375% move to the upside. That's crazy. So right now we could see some little bit of correction. Now the question right now is what's next for Cronos. So with the look of things, you see that Cronos is actually correcting, and apart from it just correcting, we're at a level of support right here, which is 0.234. So now what we should definitely expect from Cronos right now is, the question we should be asking is this actually where we'll be finding support before rallying much higher? Is this definitely going to be the move whereby we'll find support around here and we'll break above this major resistance at 0.339? If we break above it and we'll find support here, our next price target after that will definitely be 0.5. So is this definitely going to be the next move for us? And if this is not going to be the next possible move for Cronos, then what's next? Then this is where I come in to tell us that we will definitely dump all the way down to, if possible, we'll dump all the way down to 0.1727. Then maybe we might consolidate within this range for a while, and this is just like weekly time frame. We might consolidate within this level for a while and maybe find support around here, or we might not even dump this low. We could just drop all the way down to this 0.20 cents, consolidate within this level, break out, find support at 0.23, and we could definitely rally much higher. Now if this is definitely going to be the case, the question is, okay, why are we dumping all the way down to 20 cents? That is because this Wednesday that we're expecting right now to that we're approaching, that we're going to be approaching this week, is the FOMC meeting. The Fed will decide what they'll be cutting the rate to, either 25 bps or 50 bps. Now the chances of them cutting rate to 50 bps is very slim, as low as 5% as I'm speaking with you right now, and the chances of them cutting the rate all the way down to 25 bps is as high as 95%. So now the question right now is, okay, if the Feds are going to cut rates, then why is the market definitely going to dump? Because it's actually a good news for the Feds to cut rates. Well, the Feds cutting rates and it's leading to the market crashing is actually what used to happen most of the times. Now when the Feds are going to cut rates, or about to cut rates, whenever they are about to cut rates, and people definitely know that these people will definitely cut rates, and by cutting that rate, it will be favorable for risk on assets like crypto and stocks. Now people will definitely be front running, and in this case of this rate cut that we are expecting September, people have already been anticipating this rate cut for over a month now. Starting with Trump. Trump was already expecting the Fed to cut the rate like 2 months ago, when he was calling Jeremy Powell late Powell, calling Powell all sort of names. Now people were already expecting that a lot of pressure will be on Feds to cut rate, because every other nation, powerful nations out there, they've cut their own rates. So for US should have cut their rates since long time ago, but because the Feds were waiting for data to let them know that, okay, this is right time to cut rates before they do. So recently the data that have been coming out were actually like proof or evidence that the Fed needs to cut rates as soon as possible. So that is why that event is happening. But because people were already anticipating this rate cut, a lot of people have been pricing in on a lot of crypto, and as you can see, the reason why Cronos has been rallying this high is simply because people were already anticipating the rate cut. That was why Cronos was able to rally so high. People were already anticipating rate cut. And I know there are other reasons behind the fundamentals and all what's not to why people are investing in Cronos. Trump was involved, Cronos trying to partner with Trump here and there. That was also the case, but reason why Cronos was pumping this much, a lot of volume were moved into most cryptocurrency or altcoins, is simply because the market or the people or investors who are trying to front run this rate cut, and because this has actually happened, there will be a lot of de-risking, because people will definitely know that there will be volatility. So they wouldn't want their portfolio to go down either by 30%, 20%, 50%. So they will definitely take some profit off the table. And because a lot of people will have this mentality, we'll definitely get some pullback all the way down to 0.20, or we could even go as low as 0.1724. So yeah, this is just all I can say right now. If you do enjoy this video, subscribe, turn on post notifications, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends, guys. Have a wonderful week ahead. Peace out.